I wish you were here with me tonight. And I used to feel like we set free with all this hope. I never found it. Here now we're done so much. Tonight I'm falling and I can't get up. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up. And every night I miss you, I can just look up and know the stars are holding you, holding you, holding you tonight. I remember the time you told me when you were eight, and all those things you said that I couldn't wait. I remember the car you were last singing, games we would play, that we filled our hopes and stayed out too late. Remember the time you sat and go found your pieces and how not to love about even if no one was your heart so bad. Sometimes not happiness. Tonight I'm falling and I can't get up. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up. And every night I wish you I can just look up and know the stars are holding you, holding you, holding you tonight. Tonight I'm falling and I can't get up. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up. And every night I wish you I can just look up and know the stars are holding you, holding you, holding you tonight.
Baka may request naman yung ha? May request ka naman yan. Tingnan ko kung kakakat na yung ano. Wala tayo. Sa Bluetooth naman tayo wala. Yun. Sa Bluetooth naman tayo wala. Okay na sa ano. Okay na sa data. Ayo!
Grabe siya sa driver niya. Grabe energy. Hey!
Wala ka na. Ayaw ng Bluetooth. Wala. Ba't ganon? Yan. Ulitin natin. Totoo na to.
Kaya tubig lang iniinom ko eh. And then fresh again. You could sing anything that you could.
Yes. Ayan. Dahil saya ko ulit tayo bas normal. Baka may request kayo mamaya ha. Pa-audio na lang po. Come on. Sige, Ikaw na bahala. Idana. Hanapin natin.
Idana, Idana. Eh.
Ano ba yan, no?
Idana, na. Bago. Mabala ang ganda.
Mahina lang talaga yung idana. Yung nasa isang mic. Yung mic.
Kaya attack. Boy.
Hindi.
Oh no.
Pure belief ako.
Tulong sa puso, mga resistensya at yung katawan sa
Hey, you want to know?
Alright, hello po sa ating members, fans, for tonight. Yes, ako muna magpapalit kay ate. Lord Sinay.
Lagyan mo ng laman.
Sige.
Lagyan mo ng laman.
Iwan ka ng bakas.
Oo, mag-iwan ko ng bag.
Alright. Here's another song. Para sa inyo lahat. Yeah.
Lapit ko.
Idana.
Ngayong